To open the PlantMaster plugin, you'll simply go up to your window menu, find Palettes, scroll down to Web Palettes, and then find PlantMaster. Once that opens, it should open with our little mini browser modal. And in this case, I have already logged in, and so it's brought me with right to this modal page. However, if you have not logged in, you will be required to log in, and we do recommend that you might want to choose the Remember Me option so that you don't have to log in each time. Once you're here, you will be able to choose from 3 basic options for sending plant data. The first is to search for individual plants to send over one at a time. The second is to take your current project and send all of those plants at once. And the third option is for bringing plant data back from Vectorworks into PlantMaster. In this case, it will take whatever your current open project is and bring in the plant data, including quantities and information like that. You also down at the bottom will have the ability to create a new project. You can change your project, or you can quickly view your current project plans to make sure that you are in the right place. With PlantMaster plugin open, you can always click on the modal and choose to resize the window to match your dimensions better. You can also drag it around your screen. And if you did happen to close this top modal, you can always get back into it by clicking on the Vectorworks button at the top menu.